Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Laura with Stitchin with Laura. How's everybody doing? I hope everybody is having a great Friday. Well, as you can see, we are going to be starting this one that I got this morning from AliExpress, and I'm calling it the 19 Hairpin Ladies. Because there's 19 ladies here, and that's what they used to be called. And the color, I have to look it up, is 3799. It's kind of a, I don't know if you can tell, kind of a grayish green. So, yeah. Oh, my goodness. Yesterday was a day. Oh, let me tell you. I ran to town, and I came back, and I had made, chicken salad. So I got that finally made. So I had that for lunch and dinner like yesterday. And stayed at home. I stitched on the Blue Mountains cross stitch that I started the other day. So yeah, I got a little bit of progress done on that. Watched some YouTube, some Netflix. And yeah, fun times. So it was kind of busy, and as you can see, there is stitching here because I made a video and it wouldn't upload. So we're doing this all again. Yeah. So I thought I might as well just go and put the dark color all the way around. And kind of go from there. And this thing is kind of weird to stitch on. Let me turn it again. I'm so sorry. And then, of course, everything else has to go with it, you know. Let me pull you in. Oh, goodness. And pull you forward just so you can see what is going on. Why is there a shadow? We're having a day, I'm telling you. Maybe just because I had it all curled up here. There you go. So, yeah. Didn't go anywhere other than to town to get the chicken and came back home. And before I forget, I had someone send me a picture to share, and I will put that right in here. Thank you for sending that. It's just absolutely stunning. All those purples in that eggplant. It's gorgeous. You know how I like purple too. Purple and blue. Purple and blue. Hopefully I won't have to do this video again. So we will just see how it goes. Oh my goodness. But this has been very easy to stitch on, especially through the first video. Thank you for sharing, Diane. I appreciate it. It's a K-facet needlepoint picture, and she made it into a pillow. So if anybody else has anything they'd like to share, just send it to my email address, which is in the description box below, and I will get it into the next Stitch With Me as soon as I possibly can. Yeah. Fun times. So no grand plans for today. I gotta take the trash out. Whoa! Yeah, and the crowd goes wild, right? Big day planned. But it was lovely yesterday, but I was so busy running around. It just seems like I had running around to do. And stuff I needed to get taken care of here that, yeah. I could have sat out on the porch because there was absolutely no wind yesterday. You know, that 1 and 2 mile an hour stuff instead of the 50 mile an hour stuff. So we'll see. I may get another chance if I can. So yeah, I was really happy to get this. I'm glad that it was what it was, and they got it. I got it right, because evidently last time I picked the wrong thing. Oh my goodness. And you want to know something really funny? There's 3 of them on this site, and I'll put the link to it there. But there's 3 pictures in that little description area, shall we call it, of AliExpress. And they're all called Red Chamber Beauties. So here we are. And since I already have one called Red Chamber Beauties, we had to call it something else. So, yeah. I think this will be much easier to stitch on when I am sitting, in my, on the couch. So, here I've got it all folded up about 90 times. Hopefully you can see what is going on. Let me see if I can do that way. And maybe that'll hold that down and you can see more. I got to go this way and do it backwards. Do you ever have to do that just because you're stitching it in the wrong order, so to speak? But yeah, took a hot moment to get it folded around the way it was supposed to be so that I could do this video. It will be way easier on the couch. More room to kind of spread things out. Get that tied off and we won't be down in such a holler here. Hang on, gotta get rid of the needle before I drop it. So yeah, fun times. Let's see if we can just start right up in here. Got my little pink lady here. She's the only one that I have that is dressed up like that. I'd like to get a needle minder with the Red Chamber Beauties on it, but I haven't seen one come out yet, so. I've even looked at AliExpress and couldn't find anything, so. Yep, sometimes. I'm telling you. So this will be fun to stitch on. Especially this section. I started over here because there's so much more going on. Yeah, it's awesome. Get the needle to go where I want it. And of course I got a hair in there. It seems like I shed more than the cat some days. But it looks pretty simple to stitch on, because there's such big areas, but we'll see. There's another symbol in there, so I have to go fill that in. We're in the upper left-hand corner, if I didn't say that. I'm sorry, after you do this twice, you forget what you said. Yeah, that's how it goes for me. All right. Those red marks, that is the symbol that I'm for this thread color. They're a little hard to see with all that light shining on it. I wouldn't say it was overly dark, but it's not nearly as bad as, what is that, Watertown Memory? Yeah. That was the worst I've ever had a canvas that I couldn't see what I was doing. But once I moved to the other side of that canvas, it was perfect. Yep, so I don't know, just maybe a lot going on in the pictures or in the canvas. So We'll see. All right. So now you can kind of get some idea. That's going to come all the way around here and looping up and down to make all these lines. And I don't even know that you can see that. Let me hold it as still as I can. There's some lines in there to kind of define it and bring out the greens. All right, guys. Sorry this is a short one today, but yeah, what can I say? I hope you liked it, and I hope you liked the unbagging, or unboxing, I should say. I sure do appreciate each and every one of you. Thank you for joining me today. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and please hit the bell. That way you'll know when my next video comes out. Stay safe, stay healthy. We'll see you next time. God bless. Bye-bye. Keep stitching.